Hi, my name is Arvind. I'm display architect in client computing group at Intel, and here I'm showcasing a Intel Smart HDR demo in the Pro Day in New York. So what I have here is in the current Windows ecosystem, HDR is shipping default off, and the main reason is high power consumption in HDR mode, even for the typical SDR content. To solve it, what we are doing is we are trying to identify the content luminance in SoC and communicate this information to the panel so that panel can dynamically adjust the voltages based on the content luminance instead of always keeping it high and paying the power penalty. And this is being done dynamically, working with panel vendor, so that panel can receive this intelligent information from the SoC and adjust this dynamically. To showcase this, I have a Intel Series 3 Core Ultra laptops here from HP EliteBook X brand, which has been have this panel capability enabled, and they are launching this with the Intel Panther Lake systems. And what I have here is three systems: Intel Smart HDR system, which is our optimized system. Then we have a HDR system configured as HDR default mode, and then third one is a SDR system, which is typically OEMs are shipping because they don't have this technology yet. So now with this technology, as you can see, when we have SDR content running on these three systems, the green line is the default HDR, which is paying that higher power penalty, but our yellow optimized Smart HDR now able to match the power with the SDR mode power, and we are removing that power overhead from HDR mode and optimizing it further. And as I mentioned, this has been done dynamically. When content is switched from SDR to HDR, dynamically we will be able to bring up the power level higher so that we can deliver a best user experience for the HDR movie playback or HDR content which user really want to see the details and luminance levels. Thank you.